Welcome to Email Marketing Presentation Videos Part 2. In the previous video, we were discussing sending mails to our mailing lists. As we were saying, once you're done with the settings, you can send a test mail. When you receive the test mail, you can go through it and find the problems. Then you can come back to the settings and fix them. To send the email, you can schedule the time or send it right away. All these icons have been generated by the email marketing, and you can see the result of it from this toolbar. If you click on Send, you can see the addresses which the email has successfully been sent to. From the toolbar, you can also check whether the users have opened or replied to the email, or click on Clicks to see the number of clicks on each link. Also, from the toolbar, you can see the number of leads, quotations, and invoiced, and click on More to see the percentage of received, bounced, or ignored emails. The main reason to monitor these icons is to come up with the better result in this email marketing or next email marketings. Our next subject is campaign. As you know, an email campaign is a sequence of marketing efforts that contacts multiple recipients. Click on New and create a new campaign. Then click on your newly added campaign. Here you can add tags to your campaign. Then click on Send Mailing. Fill out the information just like we described before. Choose a mail body and adjust settings. Then click on Send to send the email. Let's click on New to send an email regarding the same campaign to the same or different group of people. Then go back to the marketing campaign to see what exactly is going on in the emails. Here you can see the two emails that we just created with the exact time and date, as well as the percentage of delivered, opened, clicked, and replied emails. Also, from toolbar, you have access to revenues, quotations, leads, mailings, and clicks. All these 5 icons have been generated from this campaign, and the number of each can be seen from here. It's important to know that you can monitor your campaign by tracking these icons, and by doing that, you help your campaign to have a better function. Generally speaking, we can say that email marketing is cost-effective and gives us measurable results, as well as the ability to customize outreach and increase our brand awareness. Also, it gives us the opportunity to have our own contact lists, which means we get to keep both old and new users.